He's stuck.
Did you get the hammer?
Are you stuck, Jalen?
You're stuck. He's stuck.
Jalen, how's that?
My butt won't make it. Yeah, your butt's not gonna fit today.
No. Fire department.
Move, Lucas. Move.
He's stuck. Some oil.
There he is making his difference.
Your butt's not gonna fit.
Remember that one time the fire department came to save you from the street?
This kid thought he did.
I mean, like, and I recorded it.
But it's like so stupid. He's got like 10 million views on YouTube.
I don't know what to do.
Push, push.
No, you gotta pull. You gotta pull my cheek. Wait.
Your butt made a fast little move.
Wait. Hey, let me pull you.
You scratch.
I don't.
To make a memory.
What is it? You got it. You need that at the time. My tailbone is like.
It's a scratch. It's one surgery. It's all good.
My tailbone. It's not gonna make you do it. Come on.
Jalen, how does this happen?
What was your reason behind this shit?
It's because like April said do it, and she said never say never, and so I'm like I never said never.
CJ Justin Bieber.
I never said you can't. I got that.
Jake, you gotta push his cheeks in.
Squeeze them. Squeeze them.
No, because if I squeeze it, it's gonna push up, and it's gonna make it harder.
Not really.
Yeah. Almost. Wait. I'm gonna come back out in like 5 minutes. Oh yeah. I gotta get it. My tailbone.
You got some butter, some
Anybody
oil?
got some oil? Like,
some slime?
Oh, yeah, because I carry oil with us.
like some vegetable oil? Cowboy. It is so hot. You got it.
How are you getting out?
Got this, Jalen. You know, if you didn't get your butt, you know what you're saying.
If I can get my butt, I'm good. I'm going back. No!
Don't go back,
I
Jalen.
got you! Jamie, get a fit! I
Never
can't.
say never.
You can pull my shirt, cause I don't want to pull my shirt. I don't know. Oh!
I'm trying. So, who's that 911 on speed dial? Anybody? We need a fire department. What happened? I can't.
Alright. Well,
Why'd you go in? You're the genius, Jalen. You're almost there. Pull back out.
We ain't out.
It's like every time I breathe, like my lungs expand, so like it gets worse.
So hold your breath.
It's not your lungs, it's your diaphragm. Your shoulder blades.
Do what you do like that.
I can't do that right here. That doesn't work.
There you go.
there we go.
He's out of way. Jacob's up. I got it.
He's got one cheek out.
Hey, Lucas.
What?
Get on the other end of this cabinet. Push it forward.
What's this cabinet right here for?
Forward?
Yeah,
Forward.
I got it. I got it. I got it.
Over, forward.
I made it. I made it.
Push it from the bottom.
I made it.
YouTube that thing.
I did it.